Hi everybody, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I refresh my hair on day 2, day 3, or day 4 because these days we're staying home and we're not having to wash our hair as much, so we're not getting super greasy or oily. During this time of our stay-at-home quarantine, I have not been using hairspray on my hair. I've not really been using hot tools, although I did refresh my front pieces with a blow dryer. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. But the 3 items that I use today is the Monate dry shampoo. This is called the Champ, and I love this because it's not talcum based. It's rice based, so it's healthy for your scalp and it won't clog your pores, which is super important. And then I use our Restore leave-in conditioner. I used 2 pumps of this, and I used 2 drops of the Rejuvaniqe light oil. I really like to hydrate my curls when I'm not washing my hair because even though my scalp is clean, I want to keep my strands moisturized. So watch my video. Thanks. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do is gently comb through my hair just to break it up and get it ready to be restyled. So I'm going to start with our dry shampoo. This is called the Champ and it is rice based, so it's healthy for the scalp and it's healthy for the hair. This is going to absorb all the oils on my scalp. Gently shake the bottle and spray it on your scalp. You just need the scalp area because you're just going to absorb the oils. So you don't need to put it on your strands. Perfect. Give it a little rub down, massage it in. And then I'm going to just take my blow dryer and my brush just to restyle the front of my hair. I like to smooth out my front bangs just to kind of gently sweep across my forehead. Sometimes I will wear the bangs curly, but yesterday and today I wore a smoother look. So I am pressing the cool button just to set it before I release the brush. I'm going to let that just sit there for a second. And then the next thing I want to do is take my Restore leave-in conditioner. This is a real lightweight conditioner and I'm going to do 2 pumps of that. And I love our Rejuvaniqe oil. This is a concentrated form. It's just oil. There's no silicones or plastics. And I'm going to give 2 drops, 1, 2. So I'm making my little cocktail and then I'm going to work it together. And then I want to put this on all of my hair. I don't need a lot because it is super concentrated. And this is going to refresh my curls, bring everything nice and bouncy again, and just give me some nice shine. I like to hydrate my hair on the days that I don't wash because, as we know, natural curly hair especially can tend to be a little bit drier. And since we're all staying at home and it's cold out, we want to keep our hair hydrated and moisturized. And that's it, guys. I'm not going to bother with hairspray. I haven't been using hairspray since I've been home the past few weeks. I'm just letting my hair kind of breathe and be natural. And that is it. That is how I refresh my second day hair. Thanks for watching.